Heat stroke is a very common condition during the hot summer season. This especially affects those who are out under the sun for long periods of time, like children playing outside and laborers who need to work outdoors. However, it's not only the sun that is responsible for someone getting a heat stroke. At times when people wear too many layers of warm clothing or go on a stressful exercise program, this also can cause a heat stroke. A person suffering a heat stroke can get dizziness and fall unconscious, with the skin becoming hot and flushed. Try these simple ways of dealing with a heat stroke. Take few tablespoons of fresh curd and beat this well. Now add this beaten curd to a glass of cold water. Now to this add a pinch or two of salt. Mix this well and you can have this regularly when the weather is hot. Take 3 to 4 raw mangoes and boil them in a pressure cooker with water. Remove the seeds and make a paste out of this pulp. Now to this paste add some sugar to taste, a pinch of salt, some chili powder and some cumin or jeera powder. Mix all these ingredients together. And now keep this in the fridge and you can take a glass of water, add this paste, mix this and you can have this regularly. Take a handful of fresh coriander leaves and mint leaves, both known for their cooling effects on the body. Wash them well, grind it and extract juice out of it. Now to this add some sugar to taste. Mix this well and you can drink this regularly. In the same way, you can boil some water with a small ball of tamarind. Once it boils, strain this liquid and to this add some sugar to taste. Mix this well and it's ready to drink. For flushed skin, grate an onion and extract juice out of it. Apply this juice behind your ear and over your chest. You can also gently massage some coconut oil on your head at night. Drink plenty of water and stay fit. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to hit the like button and leave a comment letting me know what you feel, and also check out our other videos and remember to eat healthy, stay healthy and keep looking young. Dehydration occurs when the body loses a lot of fluid. This can greatly affect the overall health, as every cell in our body requires water along with oxygen to function optimally. Those who are prone to dehydration are generally the old and infirm, young children as well as people living at higher altitudes. Dehydration can be caused by diarrhea and vomiting, inadequate intake of fluids in hot weather, and excessive exercise leading to excessive sweating. This could result in dry skin, severe fatigue, cramps, dizziness, and in extreme cases even confusion with a rapid heart rate and breathlessness. The first thing to do in case of dehydration is to replenish the fluids in your body. Take a glass of water and to this add 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar and to this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix this well and keep having this at regular intervals, or you can also keep sucking on small chips of ice. Drink half a glass of tender coconut water every couple of hours. This contains necessary electrolytes needed by the body. Take half of a ripe banana and put it in a blender. To this add some milk and also add some sugar to taste. Now blend these really well. Have small quantities of this at regular intervals. In a blender, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd and to this add a glass of water and blend this well. Pour this in a glass and add some salt to taste, and you can have this 2 to 3 times a day. It is best to avoid tea or coffee if suffering from dehydration. Instead, eat plenty of fruits and vegetables that have high water content like watermelon and cucumber. Do not ignore the signs and symptoms of dehydration. This can be controlled relatively easily at home but can cause severe problems if left untreated. Sensible eating and drinking is one of the keys to a healthy life. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to hit the like button and leave a comment letting me know what you feel, and remember to check out our other home remedies. Eat a well-balanced diet, stay hydrated and keep looking young.